Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Hartford Funds, full guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your financial goals. Consider both short-term and long-term objectives. Next, assess your current income sources. List all sources of income, including salaries, bonuses, and side jobs. Now, outline your monthly expenses. Categorize them into fixed expenses and variable expenses. Fixed expenses may include rent, mortgage, and insurance. Variable expenses may include groceries, entertainment, and dining out. After detailing your expenses, calculate your total monthly income. Compare your total income with your total expenses. If your expenses exceed your income, identify areas to cut back. Consider using the envelope method for managing variable expenses. Allocate set amounts to specific spending categories. Track your spending in each category throughout the month. Utilize budgeting tools or apps for easier tracking. Explore the features offered by Hartford Funds for financial planning. Set aside funds for an emergency savings account. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Invest in retirement funds as a part of your budget. Look into the investment options provided by Hartford Funds. Review your budget monthly to reflect any changes in income or expenses. Adjust your budget as needed to stay on track with your financial goals. Lastly, re-evaluate your financial goals annually. This ensures your budget remains aligned with your life circumstances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.